Hello everyone, in this video we are going to use these green ginkgo leaves and make a beautiful rose flowers. So cover the green stick using this ginkgo leaf, paste it using hot glue gun or normal glue. We are going to cover one after another different petals, tie it at the end using a thread, make a bunch of flowers. You can also make bouquet using this. Here we are going to use these palm leaves. Collect some green palm leaves and we are going to braid them. First start twisting it and make a beautiful rose flower. Twist it and roll it and look, your flower is ready. Then we are going to tie it at the end like this. Again roll the excess leaf and it's done. You can make more flowers and look at the beautiful bouquet. Look at this beautiful boat shape. Let's make it. So collect some green leaves. You can also use palm leaf in place of this. We are going to make 4 partition here. So first braid it at the center and make 4 partition and start tying them from all the 4 parts. Collect all the leaves and tie them like this. Cut the excess leaf like this and you will get a shape. Then we are going to pull all the leaves together and give it further shape. Then bend 2 of them and make a shape like this. You can use it in different forms. You can use it as a platter and decor piece. Let's collect some dry ginkgo leaves. We are going to make beautiful flowers using this. Look at the beautiful yellow color. So we are going to fold all of them and paste them on this bamboo stick using hot glue gun or normal glue. Cover it like this one after another and your beautiful rose flower is ready. Tie it at the end using a thread. You can make more flowers and look how pretty this is looking. Here we are going to make this Christmas tree using ginkgo leaves. So first make a cone by folding this paper and paste double-sided tape on it. After this we are going to simply paste all the leaves one after another on the cone like this. Decorate it using fairy lights and it's done.